I know y'all probably thinking, girl, why you still got on the same shirt, earrings, and hairstyle from the last video? Because today is recording day and I'm getting it in while I can, okay? Because I be busy. Shit. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Emery Victoria. I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Right now, before the video even gets started. And the bell button. So that you'll be notified when I post new videos. Today, I'm bringing you guys a haul. Oh my gosh. I miss doing hauls, y'all. I used to be doing hauls like out the gate, you know what I'm saying? And then I kind of been doing my little nursing videos, you know what I'm saying? But I went shopping recently, so I'm coming with y'all with a haul from Fashion Q. Have y'all heard of Fashion Q? Before I came to California, I never heard of Fashion Q, but apparently they all around here. These are all my goodies. I spent $400. My budget was $200, but I ended up spending $400. So it kind of reminds me of Fashion Nova almost. I think they're trying to be like Fashion Nova, but this was a in-store purchase, not an online purchase. We're just gonna go through all these pieces, okay? All this right here. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into the video, boo. So I think that this two-piece is like so cute. It's like, ooh, it makes you want to be like, it is a skirt, so got your shorts under there, you know what I'm saying? Booty looks nice. I don't need a bra on. It's plaid. It's so cute. Ready for spring. Y'all, I think that this dress is so cute. I love it. Look, I love it. I love it. I feel like this is a cute go to brunch fit. It has like this little pull scrunchy thing that scrunches up the middle. Look at the sleeve. It's fitted. Look at it. Fitted into the pattern. It's like a mustard almost with flowers on it. I love it so freaking much that I got another one in blue. So I got this one as well. Same thing, exactly the same. So I'm not gonna try this one, but yeah, I got two. Here we have a nice cream bodysuit and some like pleather shorts in the color brown, and I thought this color combo was so cute. This could be like, you know, a day of brunch vibe. Let's get up close so that you guys can see. We got some ruffles going on. I think that this is cute, y'all. What y'all think? You feeling it? I think I'm feeling it. plaid, this light blue plaid skirt. I'm not sure what they call this thing nowadays, but I would love to have it with a long sleeve shirt, but this is the only top I had for the moment. But you guys get the picture. So I think this is really cute. I also got this skirt in black. So but the light blue is so different. It's plaid. Can y'all see the vibes? Can y'all see where I'm going with these, with the sleeve? It's cute, right? It's cute. I'm fucking with it. Okay, so I'm not wearing this together, but I just put them together just to show you guys. We have this white top that I think is super cute. This nice white top. I also got this top in black. So this is the top in black. Okay. And then these pants are plaid and they have like the stretch bottoms. But the pants fit me nicely. I don't know what I'm gonna wear with this yet, but not together. Not together. So you guys, those are all the main pieces. I did get a few more items here that I wanted to just show you guys. So this is another skirt that I got, and I'm probably gonna pair that with this top. So I also got another skirt, well, skirt, because it does come with shorts. But I thought these little things were really cute. It's giving me like Versace vibes or something. So I gotta find something to go with that. And then I got some basic tops, because you can never have too many basic tops. So we got a one shoulder piece here in black, crop top. Got another one shoulder piece in white. And then I got this black crop top as well. So those are pretty much all my pieces from Fashion Q. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know if you want me to do more hauls. I do have a swimsuit haul coming soon for you guys for the spring, summertime. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. Let me know below which one was your favorite outfit of today. Bye.